Oh, by the way, biometric. Boom! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Okay, biometric data kitna safe hai wo pata nahi, but biometric is in here. Okay, so it's a very nice trolley. It's a 20-inch one, so it's a cabin bag. You have these TSA enabled zips, locks, so that easily आप laptop वगैरह निकाल सकते हैं. Full blown आप, if you want anything for like 3-4 days, this is more than sufficient. If you see, there is an LED right here. Okay, so it shows you LED में कितना power है and things like that. LED है जो charge कर सकते हैं आप. And you can put all your stuff in, but I mean, of course, it's an impressive, decent looking bag, but that's not exactly what we are here for. I'm going to show you the main party trick. Let's just put this in. The other cool convenience feature, check this out. Dual USB ports. So आप अपने smartphones, tablets कुछ भी charge कर सकते हैं इसी में से, because there's a built-in battery. Now I'm going to lift this up and show you. इसके नीचे जो पहिए हैं, these two central tires that you see, those get activated when you switch on the bag, and the regular four ones तो मतलब regular जैसे आप चलाते हैं यही. The magic is here. This is the power button, and this is actually a companion band that you get along with the bag. That's right. So let me turn on the band right here. So these sensors talk to the sensors in here. I'm going to turn on the bag right here. Do you see the blue LED that just went on? You see the blue LED line along this? Yeah. So this blue LED line goes on. And okay, now this is a moment of truth. I've never tried this before. If you see this, there's sensor, proximity sensors, obstacle sensors, so it sees kya obstacle hai, kya nahi hai. And let's see if it follows. I've never tried this before, but okay. Vibrations are happening. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're seeing magic happen. You're seeing James Bond stuff happen. All right, baby. Come follow me. This is crazy. Okay, here we go. It goes pretty fast, as you can see. Oh my God, this is absolute magic. I'm gonna have to dig deep into the settings to see why it keeps doing a twirl every few meters that it travels. Stop. Can you believe this? This is really happening. Chandresh is recording this video. This is really happening. That's Chandresh. Yes. How much is this bag for?
It's cost you 65,000.
65,000 rupees over here. Okay, air-wheeled robot, follow me. Oh my goodness, this is science fiction. This is absolutely crazy. And whoa, it stops really